Hello everyone. More powerful than Rafales, France tests new generation fighter, NGF, engine designed for future battles. The new generation fighter, a sixth-generation fighter jet produced by France, Germany, and Spain is part of the future combat air system, will require more powerful engines than its predecessors, according to the French Ministry of Armed Forces. Conceived as an idea of cooperation for developing a next-generation combat aircraft, France's future combat air system just got a major push. Though it had been in the pipeline for a while, the renewed push and equal commitment by all stakeholders have got it moving. This new development could prove to be a major breakthrough in the FCAS program. France has tested a prototype engine for the new generation fighter that it is developing alongside Germany and Spain as part of the larger future combat air system to combat Ariane future. The French Defense Procurement Agency reported that a prototype engine under the Turin program had successfully passed a ground test, utilizing a power plant adapted from the Snecma M88, which is now installed to the Dassault Rafale combat aircraft. At the end of 2021, the Directorate General of Armaments completed a major test for the development of the next engine of the combat aircraft. As part of the Turin Defense Technology Project led by the DGA, a prototype derived from the engine of the Rafale fighter jet was tested on the test bench. The new engine was envisioned as one that would have more thrust than the Rafales and the Eurofighter Typhoon, so that the new aircraft effectively replaces both these fighter jets in the longer run. High thrust means higher temperature. How different is this engine? This test is distinctive by the technique used, called thermocolor, which requires heat-sensitive paint. Applied to the blades of the engine's high-pressure turbine blades, it measures the temperature thanks to a color change, the DGA said in a statement. The conditions for this experiment reportedly took 5 years to prepare. After the initial tests' results have been examined, the project will move on to a durability test that should take several months. The higher the thrust, the higher has to be the temperature. At the turbine inlet, temperatures might exceed 2100 Kelvin, 1826.85 degrees Celsius, which is 250 Kelvin, 250 degrees Celsius, hotter than the M88. Such circumstances are beyond the capabilities of current materials, the French ministry had earlier stated at the outset of the engine program. Previously obtained information indicated that both Safran and MTU Aero engines were to focus on their own areas of competence when it comes to engine development. The former will be in charge of overseeing the development of the engine's hot components as well as integration activities. Cold components will be handled by the latter, which will also provide maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO) services. Further, the director of Safran's Research, Technology, and Innovation, Stéphane Quayle, had previously highlighted the advances required to produce an improved engine for the FCAS fighter. He had outlined in a press release from Safran that this new generation fighter jet should be able to both produce strong supersonic thrust and cruise at low speed over long periods. Its engine should therefore be versatile. It will also be more compact to be lighter, and its thrust, much more powerful than that of the Rafale, will make it possible for the FCAS to carry more weapons.